doing? Today we're going to make some smoothies. The hot weather is coming. You might want a nice, cool, creamy drink. You don't want to have all that extra sugar. We're going to do 3 different types of smoothies today. We're going to do a strawberry smoothie, we're going to do a pineapple smoothie, and we're going to do a peach mango smoothie. So it's going to be very easy, so quick that you'll want to make one every day. So let's get started. All right, we're ready to go. All you need is 4 ingredients. 1½ cup of frozen, unsweetened strawberries. You can buy fresh strawberries from the store, cut the head off, put them in the freezer, and you could use it that way, or you can go to the store and they already have them bagged, they're frozen already, and they're unsweetened. The second item is 1/2 a banana. The next thing we'll put in is one cup of, let's see, what is this? Oikos 000 blended Greek yogurt. Now when I say 1 cup, I mean just this. It's actually 5.3 ounces, so all you need is one of these. You could use non-fat plain, or you could use vanilla. I like to use vanilla. So you just put that in there. And the reason why we use Greek yogurt is you might want to use this as, you know, a quick breakfast. Now, if you didn't use yogurt and all you had was all this fruit in here, you'd probably be hungry in about an hour. But the yogurt has 15 grams of protein. So it takes longer for your body to break down protein, so that way you won't get hungry as quick. So if you use it as a quick breakfast, at least that'll hold you until lunchtime. Now, the last ingredient that we put in here is 1 cup of orange juice. So we have all of this in our blender, and we're going to blend this, put this all the way on there. We're going to blend this for about a minute. So that's about it. You'll know it's about a minute and everything is blended in when you get a nice good vortex going in the middle of the blender. So that's all you do. Get all of your cups together, pour it in. Look how creamy that is. So now you've got 2 friends and yourself that's going to enjoy this very nice, quick, easy, delicious strawberry smoothie. And it took you less than 5 minutes to do that. So get to the store, get you some strawberries, get you a couple bananas, and the thing I've learned, the little trick about the bananas, you know, you get your bananas home and they start turning black on you pretty quickly here. Just put your bananas in the crisper in the refrigerator. Yes, the skin on the outside, the longer you keep it, will turn black. But when you peel that banana open, it's still white, it's still ripe, it's not all black and mushy. So that's one of the little tricks I wanted to give you. And next we're going to do a pineapple smoothie. All right, we're back. So now we're going to make a pineapple smoothie. Anybody want to get their little tropical feel on? So easy. All these smoothies are just so easy. Very few ingredients. This pineapple smoothie is only going to take 4 ingredients. So we'll start off with 1.5 cups of frozen pineapples. Now, if you can't find frozen pineapples in the store, you could just as easily go and buy the pineapples in the can, drain the juice off of it, and freeze that. Don't buy the crushed pineapples, buy the pineapple chunks, and you'll have what you need. So that's 1.5 cups of frozen pineapples. And then we're gonna use a whole banana in this smoothie. The last smoothie we did was strawberry. We only used a half a banana, but this one we're gonna use a whole banana. Then we're gonna use a cup of Oikos 000 blended Greek yogurt, and this is the vanilla flavor. And remember what I was telling you, that this yogurt has a lot of protein in it, so if you have the smoothie, it should keep you for a while because the body takes longer to break proteins down, and you won't be so hungry when you drink the smoothie. So that's 1 cup. I shouldn't say 1 cup. I should say this is 1 container. And it's 5.3 ounces, and you can find that in your grocery store. And the last item that we have is 1.5 cups of pineapple juice. So what we're gonna do, just pour all that in there, mix all that up together, put our top on our blender, and we're gonna just blend that until it's all nice and smooth. It usually takes about a minute to do so. Looks about right, and remember, you'll know it's all blended together when you get a really nice vortex going in the middle of your blender. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Take it off. Let's pour this in. Nice and creamy and refreshing, and you could share this with a friend. Or if you don't want this much smoothie, you could divide it into smaller portions. Stick straw in there, and we are ready to go. So now we get to our last smoothie of the day, and I must say that this is my very favorite. So what we're gonna do now is a peach mango smoothie. It is absolutely delicious. So there's only one more item that's added to this smoothie that wasn't in the other smoothies. So it's still going to be very, very simple to make. So all you need to do is get 1.5 cups of frozen peaches. And then we'll have a 1/2 cup of frozen mangoes. Now, I haven't been able to find frozen mangoes in the store, so I had to do it myself. And the first time I cut a mango up, I didn't know what I was doing, but I know what I'm doing now. So that's 1.5 cups of frozen peaches, a 1/2 cup of frozen mango. We're going to use 1 whole banana. And we're going to use 1 container of Oikos 000 blended yogurt. This is the vanilla. If you don't want vanilla, you could use the plain yogurt. So we're going to use 1 container of this. And the last item that we're going to use is 1.5 cups of peach nectar. So we're going to put all this in the blender. And pop our top right on there. And we're going to blend this for about a minute until it's all nice and smooth.
Drop.
And that should do it. Let's take this top off. Get our glasses here ready. And here you have a nice, refreshing, creamy, tasty, delicious peach mango smoothie. So, I hope you had a good time today, and I don't know what your favorite's going to be. Strawberry, pineapple, peach mango, I don't know. Try them all. I'm pretty sure you're going to love them all. So, get out there and get you some frozen fruit. If you want to just start it off, you just get you some fresh fruit and cut it up and put it in the freezer. You see where it takes less than 5 minutes to put this together. So if you'd like to treat your family to a nice little treat, you don't have to give them soda and all those other sweetened drinks. You can just make them a nice, healthy smoothie, fruit smoothie. Shout out to the Safe House family. See you next time.